What does an awesome phone look like for you? This size of screen? This kind of camera lens? What about sound? Design? That's a given. Here comes new K. This alluring color is melted into the smooth, silky, matte glass cover. The color draws your hand and it looks flawless with silky matte finish. We call it Silky Blast. Your touch will instantly unlock your phone. This size of screen is wide, very wide. The 20:9 cinematic ratio brings you a cinematic experience at your fingertips, anytime, anywhere. A front camera is tucked into this tiny hole. Sometimes you might forget there's a camera on the front. Nice. And this 3D sound absolutely surrounds you. Probably a tough job for your present speakers to replicate. What the? Anyway, the 4,000 milliampere long-lasting battery can meet all your needs all day long.
You like playing it rough?
Don't worry, K62 passed even the military specs. Hold on. Remember the island floating on the Silky Blast cover? The beautiful island is a home to 4 cameras. Standard, wide, depth, macro. They are ready for any picture you want to take. What do you think? Premium enough? All these premium features packed into one device. You call it K62. The price? Go check it out. Nothing short of all you need. LG K62.